Stop, please. Don't do this. Stop this, sir. You can't do this to me. I'm your higher up.
Bakit ba binabaril ka?
You need to listen to me. Because you need to follow. You need to obey the chain of command. You need to follow the base rules. And all the game rules here.
Layaan mo na kasi siya. Bakit ba nakausap mo pa?
Blow a donkey.
I'm gonna kick your ass.
If you don't want to obey the rules of the army, you're free to go.
Ano ba siya? Ano ba siya? Army din?
Oo.
I'm gonna kick your ass.
Don't do this to me. I'm your higher up.
Paulit-ulit ka, hindi nga nakaganin.
Then why when I leave you gotta bring me back?
Yeah, I was explaining to you what you did. You burst. You bumped the gate. You drive military jeep on the city and spawning here. Do you know that there is someone complaining to you at the south gate right now?
I don't give a fuck.
Okay.
Dito, I don't give a fuck. Okay. Shut the fuck up. Go. 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 Sino ba yan? May body cam ka ba?
Oh.
I-report na.
Dirty little bitch.
You know you're not obeying the chain of command.
Nahihirapan ka na mag-English, kinakausap mo pa yan.
Stop that. Stop that. I said stop that.
Stop that. Stop that. Oh, God.
Tingnan mo, pasaway siya, crazy oh.
You're not following the orders?
Yes.
You want me to kill you?
Yes, she shoot me.
You want me to kill you,
She
bro?
shot me.
Shut the fuck up. Shoot me, shot.
Bro, I swear you didn't want me to. I was speaking to you, bro. One more disrespecting the higher ups. I will kill you. I don't care if I get RP13.
Baka na.
Then do it.
Okay.
Scared bitch.
Bitch. Bitch. B-I-T-C-H. Bitch.
Go, push yourself, bro. I swear.
I don't want to be rude.
Nakabody cam ako, crazy ah.
Yeah.
A sugar on my tongue.
Taserin mo. Go, Mr. Antonia. I don't care, bro.
Let's do this.
Go. Push yourself, bro. Don't push me to kill you, bro.
Pussy, no balls.
I said stop.
I don't give a fuck what you said, bitch.
Kaya kaya.
I told you, don't push me to kill you, bro.
And I'll be back, bro.
Go. Push yourself, bro. I don't. That's not my thing.
Fuck.
Okay. Okay. My thing is not to disrespect the higher ups. You must respect your higher ups, bro. You must obey the chain of command. Who gave you your uniform again? Who gave you your uniform again?
Your mom.
This is Lieutenant Crazy White. Mr. Zach, please come to meet ASAP, sir.
HP.